Okay, while you're away, I added a little bit more to the site just so that we can go on. I added some news items. I added some past articles. I added some more widgets. I added the search button. I stylized the colors, which would be in style CSS. So I added a few things. I added a background color instead of the gray, but basic stuff that you would be able to figure out. Let me show you a little bit on how to style this nav bar that comes out. You'll see that when you hit About Us, it turned blue. Let's do something. Let's just go to the menus. Let's go down to the menus, and let's do a drop down. Very easy to do. Let's see. Let's put the portfolio as a drop down, and maybe we'll stay away from the moose and Tumblr. Okay, when we save this menu, and then go to the site, you'll see that there is now this drop down for portfolio. But you'll also see that in the hamburger, when this comes out, there's an arrow that will take you to the portfolio, or you can hit the About Us to go back. Now you can see that the color is blue and it doesn't fit our scheme of things. And so when we hit About Us and then Home, we go back to our home page. Well, let's figure out how we can change the color of that active back button, and also the button that tells us where we are and where we're going. Alright, there we go. Let's go back to, you guessed it, to style.css. You can go up to the little index. Let's see, styles flyout menu. So that's section 4. So let's go down to section 4. Here's 3. Here's 4. Okay, now it tells you background of right side when menu is open. What that is, when you click that, there's this gray over here. You can change the color of that, or you can even put an image there. I'm going to just grab this color so it's darker green. I've done images back there. It's kind of cool. So instead of gray, let's put a color. So that's what that does. Let me move up to styles, and because it's a general color, that doesn't matter what size the media screen is. You put it in the styles. See, so now it's green over here. Now let's address this here blue going on, and all we have to do is look to see what the comments are. Let's see, background of large menu bar. Okay, right now it's black, but let's make it a part of our color scheme. Let's make it like a real dark green. Okay, so instead of black, we're going to have it dark green. Then the HR between the menu items, I should probably just leave that. Link, this is the rest state of the large nav. The color is grayish, that's fine. You can change it whatever you want, but it's the text. And then let's see, hover state of the large nav, still the color is CC. Now, background of active button on the left bar. That tells us when there is some active going on here. So that's the blue. So let's go to our Photoshop and grab this green instead. It goes along with our color scheme. And here it is. Background of active button. There we go. We can change that. Background arrow indicating there is sub-menus. We can change that too. Okay, and top button to close the menu. So let's make that a different color. Let's make it a different color green, maybe a little bit darker. So those are the ones you really have to look for. Alright, so once we save that, and we move that style up, you can see that once we refresh, that now our nav bar is green, and when we have it active, it still stays green. So that is how you style that beautiful responsive navigation. Okay, and that's how that is done.